Hi guys, this is a little too close for comfort. Tuesday evening, well, after I finished up the skid steer work, had a rainstorm come through and it dumped about 1.5 inches of rain on us. But the house is right over there, barn's there, and this tree took a heck of a lightning bolt to it. You can see where it hit that limb right there and come down the tree. I mean, she come down and it throwed their bark all over here, my neighbor's place, and you can see it blew chunks of wood clean out there in his yard, and that's probably 40 feet from the tree. Clear back here it blew stuff, chunks of wood and bark, and clean over to that telephone pole. So that was a little too close for comfort. Funny it didn't strike up in the tree, but right there where it forks for that limb. That's too close to home for me. We'll see you next time, guys. The awesome power of nature.